Thanks, Amit. Thanks for joining us for this brief conversation. You won the Tech First 50 awards in 2018 and 19. So how do you see your prospects for 2020? Are you looking for a hat trick in the current year?
Hopefully, yeah. But I think, if I look at Indian startup space, right? I mean, it has been hot, So I have my fingers crossed, because you may see a lot of other companies as well, who might have, scored much higher than us. So I think I have my fingers crossed, but I'm hopeful that, we might score the third one as well.
But if you look back at the last 2 years, how did this win mean for Motordata as a company? You won this in 2018 and 19. And I'm sure that you would have leveraged this for marketing to position yourself in the marketplace, etc. How has it been for the last 2 years?
So I think, it really helped us in multiple ways. So primarily, of course, as you said, it helps you position a strong brand that, it helps you create that perspective that, you are here for longer and you have actually started going to the next league. And also it helps, create that sense of confidence within your employees, right? That, the recognition really means a lot and, you have started delivering what you have been trying to achieve. So I think it helps in multiple ways. But I think it has been, really helpful for us. And also, we really have not, leveraged that from investment perspective because I think, we have been cash flow positive, since last 2 years. But I think those who are looking for investor, for them as well, it would really help.
Motordata works in the enterprise infrastructure business. If you look at the last 1 year, where we have seen a lot of challenges and opportunities coming up in the market, what are the kind of challenges which you faced as far as your company is concerned in the last 1 year?
Being a product company, right, you have a lot of people working closely in the office premises only. So I think the primary change that we, get into was that, allow people to work from home and at the same time continue to work with the speed that you have been working, right? What we did is we started investing towards a lot of technology that we didn't have and, we started rolling immediately. So I think it has been tough, but I think somehow we have sailed through.
So companies are investing a fair amount of money into IT infrastructure and cloud and network security, etc. So if you look at your client base, what are the sectors on which you are seeing growth in the next coming couple of years? Any particular products which you have, which you are seeing traction of late?
So I think digital transformation has been, primary growth area for us, right? After the COVID situation. So, we have a product in ITSM, space. So that is primarily a driver for, taking processes into a digital form, right? Enable employees and, operations going digitally. So we have seen a lot of traction into that, since now a lot of companies have started adopting digital transformation and we are also helping them, be part of that journey. And at the same time, managing infra remotely and a lot of stuff is also going now in cloud, rather than having in-house. So in that transformation, cloud transformation as well, we have a role to play. So I think both our product, monitoring platform and the ITSM platform are seeing a lot of traction now after the COVID.
Thanks, Amit. Thanks a lot for your time and wish you all the very best for the 2020 edition.
Thanks, Akhilesh.